Hello students, today it's time to start with exercise 1.5. Dear students, in this exercise we are supposed to study about international system of numeration. International system of numeration. Numeration is numbers, and Indian system we have already done in the previous exercises. Let me first of all introduce to you what do I mean by the international system. Dear students, when we move out of India to some European countries or other countries, the rupees, the Indian currency is not accepted. Each country has its own currency. Yes, you can hunt out and find different currencies. We will study those currencies when we do the money chapter. So each country has its own currency, and we have to have that particular currency in our pocket to spend in that country. So there is an international system of numbers which is recognized all over, right? In that international system of numbers, how we do with it, let's see to it. So in the international system, children, we have the ones period, then we have the thousands period, as we have it in the Indian system, and we have the millions period, again, as we studied in the Indian system, we have 3 places each. Listen carefully, we have 3 places in each period: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. Got it? How we will put commas? We will put when one period finishes. Got it? So you have to learn this. These are called the periods. How many periods in the international system? How many periods in the international system? Yes, all of you know it now. It is 3 periods. How many periods in the Indian system? 4. Let's recall them: ones, thousands, lakhs, crores. Right? In Indian system, how many places? You have 3, 2, 2. Right? In the international system, how many places? 3, 3, 3. How many places in the international system? We have 3, 3 and 3. In the Indian system, how many? We have 3 in the ones period, then we have 2 and 2 and 2. Correct? So this is the process of learning. Now in this particular video, I will be doing question number 1. Open up your notebooks, write exercise 1.5 in the middle, put today's date on the left side, and write the question in the dash form. Rewrite the numbers in the Indian place value chart and also in the words. So dear children, just be careful the way I am doing, because I have to make an Indian place value chart. I will make one chart for all the 4 numbers. I will make one chart for all my 4 numbers. Right? And I will write all my 4 numbers over here only. Got it? Indian place value chart. Remember, 3, 2, 2 and 2. Correct? 3, 2, 2 and 2. So here children, I will write my numbers. Here I will write my numbers. Just give me a second. Yes. We have ones, thousands, lakhs, crores. Ones, tens, 100, thousand, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. A, B, C, D. My first number is 325047. Then I have 447896. Then I have 752368. And then I have 1478965. For my East children, I can put commas. Right? And now I will place the digits. 047, 1000 में आ गया 25 और lakh में आ गया 3. Then 896, 47 in the thousands and 4 lakhs. Then I have 7 lakhs 52,368. And then I have 14 lakhs 78,965. Now dear children, I also have to write it in words. So I write my number again and I write it in words. It is 3 lakhs 25,047. Please be careful with the spellings of 40 here. And you write the number name for the rest on your own. B, C, D. Write in words. Self-attempt. Right, children? Finish this much work. Put a line in the notebook and catch hold of the next video for the rest of the questions. Thank you.